Hello, today's life skill lesson will be washing dishes. Make sure the sink is empty. Adjust it so it's hot but won't burn you. Place a stopper in the sink. Get the dish detergent. Add the dish detergent. Squeeze a bottle for 2 seconds. Put dishes into sink. Shut the water off when the sink is half full. Put sponge into water and squeeze. Pick up a piece of silverware. Scrub it all over with the sponge. It is clean when there is no food on it. Turn on the water. Rinse until all the soap is gone and shut water off. Put silverware onto the dish rack. Do it again until all silverware is clean. Now take a cup from the sink. Push sponge into the bottom and twist. Scrub the outside of the cup. It is clean when there is no food on it. Turn on the water. Rinse until all soap is gone. Shut the water off. Put the cup into the dish rack. Take a bowl from in the sink. Scrub the inside and outside of the bowl. It is clean when there is no food on it. Turn on the water. Rinse until all soap is gone. Shut the water off. Put bowl into dish rack. Do it again until all bowls are clean. Scrub the top and bottom of the dish. It is clean when all food is gone. Turn on the water. Rinse until all soap is gone. Turn off the water. Put the dish in the dish rack. Scrub the top and the bottom of the dish. Rinse until all soap is gone. And put the dish in the dish rack. For other dishes, follow these steps. Scrub until clean. Rinse until all soap is gone. Put it in the dish rack. When dishes are clean, put away sponge. Pull the plug so the water drains. And rinse your hands. Here are the following questions. 1. Do you plug the sink so it will fill with warm water? Yes or no? circle your answer. Question number 2. How full should the sink be filled with water? To the top, halfway, or empty? And number 3, where do you place a dish to dry? Outside, dish rack, or table? Please answer the following questions, and when you are finished, submit them to teams. If you have any questions, you can contact the teacher. Thank you.